Okay, so you flagged this one for us. Develop self-awareness.
I did, yeah.
Let's dive straight in then. What are we really talking about when we say become more self-aware? And, why should someone listening care?
Right.
That's kind of our mission here, isn't it? To unpack it a bit.
Exactly. And look, it's definitely more than just knowing you prefer tea over coffee or, that Mondays aren't your favorite.
Oh, okay.
It's really digging into those undercurrents. Why certain things make you react strongly.
Triggers.
Yeah, triggers. Or what's really behind the choices you make? How does your internal stuff, your mood, your thoughts, how does that affect how you deal with the world?
So it's not like a final destination, okay, I'm self-aware now.
No, not at all. Think of it more like an ongoing investigation. You're always learning.
An ongoing investigation, I like that. So, okay, practically speaking, what does that investigation look like? Are you saying be a detective for your own thoughts?
Precisely, yeah. Like, think about maybe something that happened recently where you felt, I don't know, a really strong emotion.
Sure.
Maybe you got frustrated in a meeting or maybe really excited about something new.
Mm-hmm.
Self-awareness is about kind of hitting pause just for a moment and asking yourself, okay, what exactly set that feeling off?
Right, the specific trigger.
And then maybe what uh, what past stuff or maybe beliefs I hold might be, coloring how I'm seeing this right now.
Ah, okay, so you're not just stopping at, I feel annoyed.
Yeah,
You're trying to figure out why. Like, why did that particular comment from, say, a colleague get under your skin? It's connecting those dots, isn't it?
exactly that,
Yeah.
connecting the dots. And this isn't something you just do once and you're done.
Right, not a one-off.
No, it's like building a muscle or learning any new skill.
Mm.
The more you practice looking inward like this,
Mm-hmm.
the quicker you get at spotting your own patterns, your habits of thought, your feelings, even your biases start to become clearer.
Okay, so you start seeing yourself a bit more objectively, maybe.
Sort of, yeah. More clearly, at least.
So let's talk payoff then. Why put in the effort? What's the benefit for, someone juggling everyday life, this continuous self-checking?
Well, if you link it to the bigger picture, really understanding yourself better, it can be a total game changer.
Oh, so?
Okay, imagine you realize you tend to, say, jump to conclusions when discussing certain topics.
Right.
Just knowing that, just that awareness, it gives you that split second, that pause
Uh-huh.
to maybe consider other viewpoints before you react. That could lead to a much better conversation, couldn't it?
Yeah, less conflict, maybe more understanding.
Exactly.
Yeah.
It helps you make choices that are, more aligned with your actual values because you've taken the time to understand what those values are for you.
That makes a lot of sense. It's like having a better internal compass guiding you.
That's a great way to put it.
Because if you don't know your own true north, so to speak, how can you possibly navigate effectively?
You can't really, or at least not intentionally.
Yeah.
And what's really interesting is that how you develop this awareness, the path itself, it's different for everyone.
Oh, right. Not one size fits all.
Definitely not.
Mm.
So for one person, maybe keeping a journal is incredibly revealing,
Okay.
but for someone else, that might do nothing. They might get more insight from, I don't know, mindful movement like yoga, or just talking things through regularly with people they trust.
So finding what works for you personally is key.
Absolutely.
Okay, so if we're going to wrap up this quick look at developing self-awareness,
Yeah,
it seems clear it's not about reaching some perfect enlightened state or anything.
not at all.
It's more about the process, right? Cultivating this habit of looking inward regularly,
Yeah.
understanding our reactions, why we have them.
And connecting them back to our deeper beliefs, our values.
Yeah, it feels foundational, really, for just navigating life with a bit more intention, maybe a bit more clarity.
Well put. And that actually brings up maybe a final thought for you. For anyone listening, think about one specific area, maybe a recurring situation or pattern in your life where you feel like you don't quite understand your own reactions, where you're a bit baffled by yourself.
Mm.
And then just think, what's one tiny concrete step you could take, maybe this week, just to explore that feeling a little bit more?
Doesn't have to be huge.
No, not at all.
Yeah.
Maybe just taking, 30 seconds to reflect right after it happens next time. That's it. It's a journey, right? Starts with one small step.